just I feel like I didn't realize, but I feel like I had a weight like on my lower back, just holding back, just I don't even know how to explain it. Just sitting on top of my hips, but now it's just like lighter.
Heck yeah. Alright, upper back, middle back, lower back, hips, sciatica, knees, ankles. What happened to you?
Nah, I did get in, well, I used to surf and skate all my life.
Okay.
So it was a lot of skimboarding and running on the beach.
Yep.
So that's in the sand, that's where my knees and ankles, and I'm super active, so I think it could just be overuse, but
Okay.
I wanted to put it down just in case.
Gotcha.
Sciatica, it's not like a tingling all the way down that I'm getting. It's more or less like if I like lifted over my head and did a bunch of presses, like overhead shoulder presses,
Yeah.
then I'll feel like kind of compressing, and then feel a little left. I'm not sure which way it goes. I think it's left.
Okay.
It goes, but I think it can go both ways. But it's mostly, my main thing is just low back super tight, hips super tight.
Okay.
But and I think that feeds into the knees and the ankles possibly.
Okay, so that's where that came
Neck, I used to go to the chiropractor for a while because I did get in just someone ran into the back of me when I was parked.
Yep.
Yeah, but it wasn't nothing crazy, and I went to him for like a year or
Okay.
a year or two. The neck stuff I didn't like as much just because I never have soreness in my neck, so like whenever he tweaked it, it kind of like was like kind of almost hurt a little bit.
Okay.
So I'm gonna leave that up to you, whatever you want to do. But the neck stuff, I don't really have anything that hurts up here. Shoulders a little bit, just from working out, and I golf a lot, so that's where I think the low back comes in.
Gotcha. Alright. I gotcha. Let me have you go face down on the table. Right leg is just a tiny bit shorter than the left. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness.
A little tender in the middle,
Okay.
a little tender and pain there.
Okay.
Same all the way down.
Alright, yeah, like you said, I mean, you're starting like mid-thoracic and just kind of working its way down there.
Yeah, it's more of like a dull.
Okay, but then,
there's like it needs a pop or something in a way.
okay, and then like you said though, you'll get the like sciatic when like shoulder
right
presses.
Now I have like it just feels like sore and tight right here on my hips.
Okay. So you're getting the hips there. Alright, I gotcha. Gonna start right in through here. There we go. Not too bad, huh?
Mm-hmm. That was nice. Yes, sir.
Always tries to get me to do this.
You can't do it, man. It's like nothing. I'm like, never mind.
What do you mean she doesn't get you like this?
Oh no, that was right. That was dialed right.
You're not a trained chiropractor.
How'd that feel?
Great. That was perfect.
Yep, another one. Okay. There we go. Heck yeah. You can relax your arms.
Ooh. Get a couple more yards in my golf swing after that one. Huh?
Go face down again for me. Okay. Actually, not too bad with the movement there. Got one right in here. Good. Actually, moves not too bad there. Heck yeah. Flip onto your back. Now we're gonna get those leg pulls in.
All right.
Heck yeah. Now we're gonna use the Y strap. Decompress your spine. How many of these have you watched me do?
Couldn't even put a number on it.
Okay, now here's the first time done for you.
Oh my god. Oh, you got it.
Is that the bendy straw?
Oh my lord.
What did you feel?
Snapped all the way down until it got right to the top of my butt. It just popped. Just one big one right there, right in the spot where I can never get.
Amazing.
Heck yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
I
I was gonna
appreciate
say,
it,
you
brother.
probably gonna get friggin' 20, 30 more yards. Each, right off the tee, you'll probably crank it down.
Swing my Rory out there,
Yeah,
eh?
you're all pro.
That's crazy. So good down low right down there.
Does it?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, this feels like super inflamed, but it feels like really good though in a good way. It just released.
Heck yeah. How are you feeling?
Oh, I feel amazing. It's awesome. You definitely feel a lot lighter.
Right?
It's the easiest way to explain it. You feel like, I feel like I didn't realize, but I feel like I had a weight like on my lower back, just holding back, I don't even know how to explain it. Just sitting on top of my hips, but now it's just like lighter.
Heck yeah. Because I know even like you said, the main thing coming in, low back and the hips.
Yep, low back, hips, even like the glutes a little bit, and that's where I felt like that pop. It was like right at the top of the glutes, like that last. Seemed like that last one, it just opened up the biggest.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that was good.